Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about the best fertilizer for beets, which really has no analogs, and most importantly, you can make it yourself. You don't need to buy anything. I will also tell you and show you two ways to apply it, simple and easy, as well as more effective. Recently, these beets were attacked by aphids. Look at what it did. The leaves where the aphids were twisted and dark spots appeared on them. But you heard me right, it was there. I also overcame it with the help of an ordinary, very easy to prepare folk remedy. I was just convinced of its effectiveness on my beets, and look, there are no more aphids on any of the leaves. This video will be released on my channel soon, so be sure to subscribe and don't miss it. As for fertilizing beets, it is better to use nitrogen-free fertilizers. This means that these fertilizers should contain phosphorus, potassium, calcium and other macronutrients, but not nitrogen. Because the use of nitrogen on beets causes the rapid development of leaves, not the root crop itself. And the best of these fertilizers is ordinary ash. It is important that the fertilizer is fresh. You can also use ash that has already been stored, but you need to store it in a dry, dark place so that it does not lose its properties. For example, if you burned a fire and created a large pile of ash, but you didn't collect or store it, you left it there and it rained. You should know that all the nutrients are already in the soil under this pile, and the ash itself is no longer suitable for fertilizing. Now I'll talk about two methods of application. I will use a more effective method, namely I need a liter container. I fill it completely with ash. You see, I have it with the remains of charcoal. The weight of such a container is about 300 grams. These 300 grams are used for a 1 square meter garden bed, but in no case do not exceed the dosage, because ash and ash have an alkaline effect, and after their application, acidic soils are deoxidized. And if you already have alkaline soil, it will become even more alkaline, and this can harm the plants. To apply it, you need to evenly sprinkle a golden container per 1 square meter in the beet rows. Then take a loosening tool and loosen the soil in the row spacing. In this way, we work the ash into the soil. Why is this method effective? Firstly, we introduce nutrients closer to the root crop. Secondly, we loosen the soil, and all root crops love it. Then they grow big and even, and immediately after fertilizing, you need to spill the soil. I'm not going to spill it because it's already starting to rain. It will do it for me. And the second method is very easy. We also fill a liter container with ash. Dissolve it in 10 liters of water, leave it for 1 day, mix it and spill it between the rows, also 1 meter square beds. This way the nutrients also reach the roots of the root crop, but we do not loosen the soil, but rather compact it with each watering. It's up to you to choose which method is easier for you to apply this fertilizer. You already know the proportions, but do not forget that you need to loosen the row spacing. Be sure to do one such fertilization and the beet harvest will surprise you. They will be large, smooth, and most importantly, this fertilizer will help the beets accumulate sugar. They will also be delicious. If you found the information in this video useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day and see you in the next videos.